Okay, I think it's February 6th. We just had a massive snowstorm, and here in Ohio, we got about, oh geez, I hate to even say, at least 2 feet, and then drifting is just terrible. But you can see all the snow, and as I walk in the street, it's been plowed a couple times when we were in bed. But when we woke up this morning, I mean, the drift in front of the house, in front of the driveway, is up to my knees from the snow shovels, or the snow plows plowing them. And I'm going to show you here, me going through the snow plow snow. It's all light and fluffy snow, but as you can see, all the way up to my knees. And I shoveled last night 3 inches off the driveway, so it's a little bit, I know it's upside down, almost up to my knees. So I don't know, that has to be a good foot or so. But we are scheduled to have our big tree cut down this week. Monday, so we still got a couple more days, and hopefully the weight of the snow won't be too terrible on it. We do have a couple growth cracks. I don't know if you could see it. It's a little blurry when you focus, but those dark ridges coming down. So hopefully the weight isn't that too bad before we have that done. But there's a house covered in snow. I'm going to start doing the snowblower, and hopefully we can move this much snow. So, wish me luck.